here. We are back. Salesvision Limitless360 Level 2. This is the wallet audit. Yeah, wallet audit. So, I know ladies' purses can get pretty hectic at times, and I know the blokes' wallets can get pretty chocker full of cards, receipts, I don't know, you name it, like keys, just weird, just full of just crap. So that's the video that we had to watch, and then we had to do an audit on our own wallet. I recently did one. I've got one of these phone wallets, so I mean I've only got 3 cards in there at the moment, so she's ready, locked and loaded, ready to, there's no clutter, she's clean as a whistle. Beautiful. Lovely. So mine's already decluttered. There you go. You've already seen that. Basically, you know, what my takeaways is you want to get rid of clutter. You want to open more space, again, so you can receive things. Like, you know, that's what I'm noticing, you know, especially when I decluttered my room, and you'll notice that when you declutter your wallet, you'll feel, well, firstly, it's going to fit in your pocket easier, so you're going to feel more space in your pocket. That flow on effect goes through, you know, into everything. So get it done. Really easy. Get rid of that clutter. And if you haven't, don't know what you're waiting for, come join the team. Come start playing these fun games. Super easy, super fun. Get to chat with me. I'll show you how it's all done, and we can start winning together. Hooroo.